find the coefficient of x cubed in the expansion of this. So we have two methods to solve it. The first one is we have the 6 and then 5 4 over 3 factorial negative 2 to the power of 3. So we have the 20 and then 8 and then 160. So this will be the negative 160. So I have 6 times 5 times 4 divided by 3 factorial times negative 2 to the power of 3. So negative 60. Okay, so we can also use method number 2, that is we have the 6c3 and then negative 2 to the power of 3. Okay, so we have the 6c3 and negative 2 to the power of 3. Then we will have the negative 160 as well. Okay. B, we want to find the coefficient of x cubed of this one. So to find the coefficient of x cubed, first this one we expand. So we have the 1 plus 6 times negative 2x plus the 6 5 2 factorial and then negative 2x squared and then minus 160 x cubed. So this one is the x cubed. Okay, so we have the 1 minus 12x and we have the 6 times 5 times 2 square, negative 2 square is 2 square, and then divide by 2 factorial, then it is 60 plus 60 x squared minus 160 x cubed. So this one will be the 1 plus x over 2 multiply with this one. Okay, so we want to have the coefficient of x cubed. So coefficient of x cubed will be this one multiplied with this, and this one multiplied with this. Okay, so the coefficient of x cubed is actually the negative 160 plus half times 60. So it will be negative 130. Next, C, we need to expand this one in a series of power of x with integer coefficient. So this one power 4, then we have the 4c0 2 square root x4 and then 1 over square root x0 4c1 2 square root x power 3 1 over square root 4 square root x power 1. Okay, and then the 4c2 2 square root x power 2 1 over square root x2 and then 4c3 2 square root x power 1 1 over square root x power 3, and then we have the 4c4 2 square root x power 0 1 over square root x power 4. So the first term will be the this is actually 1, this is also 1, 2 to the power of 4. So we have the 2 power 4, that is 16 x squared. Okay, and then we have the 4c1 times 2 to the power of 3, then it's 32. So 32 x. So this one cancel with this one, then we have square root x squared, then it is x, and we have the 4c2 and then 2 square, okay, then it's 24. So square root x squared cancel with square root x squared, then no x here. And 4c3 2 to the power 1, then it's 8 over x. So this one will be square root x cancel, then square root x squared x, and then plus this one 4c4. 4c4 is actually 1 times 2 to the power 0, so the whole thing is 1, so 1 over x squared. So this will be the answer.